Give your small dog the best with Blue Buffalo. Is your furry friend full of energy and small in size? Meet Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula, the ultimate kibble made for adult small breeds. Packed with natural goodness and high-quality chicken as the first ingredient, it fuels your pet's boundless energy every step of the way. This chicken and brown rice recipe is rich in protein for strong muscles, while antioxidant-packed life source bits promote a robust immune system. Free from artificial ingredients, corn, wheat, and soy, it's a clean, nourishing choice to help your pup thrive. Specially designed for small dogs, this formula is just right for their high-energy needs. Every bite of crunchy kibble delivers the perfect balance of protein, carbs, and essential nutrients, helping your dog stay active, healthy, and happy. With a 4.7-star rating and over 24,000 glowing reviews, this small breed dry dog food is a trusted favorite. The 15 pounds bag gives you plenty to keep tails wagging, and at just $41.98, it's an investment in your dog's health and happiness. Your fur baby deserves top-quality nutrition. Head to Amazon's product page today and grab your bag of Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula. Don't wait, give your pup the wholesome care they deserve with this unbeatable formula. Paw prints.